Kia ora, everyone, and welcome back to Grow Your Own Food. Last time, we got you thinking about the incredible why behind growing your own kai. Now, let's get down to the absolute nitty-gritty, because here's a truth bomb for you. Your plants are only as good as the soil they grow in. That's right, soil isn't just dirt. It's the bustling, living foundation of your entire garden. It's where your plants find their food, their water, and their anchorage. Get this right, and you're halfway to a thriving veggie patch. Get it wrong, and you'll be battling uphill the whole way. So, what exactly is soil made of? Generally, it's a mix of mineral particles, organic matter, water, and air. But not all soils are created equal. You've probably heard of types like clay, sand, and loam. Sandy soil is gritty, drains quickly, and doesn't hold much water or nutrients. Great for things like kumara, but needs a lot of help. Clay soil feels sticky and can be hard when dry. It holds water and nutrients well, sometimes too well, meaning it can get waterlogged and compact. Then there's loam. This is the holy grail for gardeners, a balanced mix of sand, silt, and clay, plus plenty of organic matter. It's friable, drains well, but still retains moisture and nutrients. It feels like rich chocolate cake. To identify your soil, just grab a handful, moisten it slightly, and roll it between your fingers. Does it feel gritty, sticky, or crumbly and soft? Knowing your soil type is the first step to making it brilliant. And within that soil, plants need essential nutrients like nitrogen for leafy growth, phosphorus for roots and flowers, and potassium for overall plant health, plus a whole host of micronutrients. Now, if you don't have perfect loam, don't despair. The secret to building better soil, no matter what you start with, is organic matter. Think of it as the lifeblood of your soil. Organic matter improves drainage in clay, helps sandy soil hold water, provides food for beneficial microbes, and releases nutrients slowly over time. It's a true superhero. And the best way to get this amazing organic matter into your soil? Composting. Composting transforms your kitchen scraps, garden waste, and other organic materials into a nutrient-rich, crumbly soil conditioner. It's like magic. When you add compost, you're not just feeding your plants, you're feeding the incredible ecosystem of worms, fungi, and bacteria that make your soil truly alive and healthy. Trust me, your veggies will thank you. Another important factor is soil pH. This measures how acidic or alkaline your soil is on a scale of 0 to 14. Most veggies prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH around 6.0 to 7.0. Why does it matter? Because pH affects how easily plants can access those vital nutrients we talked about. You can grab a simple soil pH test kit from your local garden center. They're super easy to use. If your soil is too acidic, you can add a bit of lime. If it's too alkaline, some elemental sulfur can help, but often simply adding plenty of organic matter through composting will help regulate pH naturally over time. For our Compost Corner Challenge, I want to encourage you to start small. You don't need a massive compost heap. How about a simple bucket compost? Just grab a bucket with a lid, drill a few holes in the bottom sides for aeration, and start adding your fruit and veggie scraps. Give it a stir every few days, and before you know it, you'll have black gold. Or for an even faster fix, consider a worm farm. Those little wrigglers are composting champions. Building healthy soil takes time, but it's the most rewarding investment you'll make in your garden. If you've loved digging into this, give us a like, share it with your mates, and subscribe so you don't miss out. Next time, we'll be talking about where to put all this glorious soil. We're diving into light, warmth, and location. 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 You won't want to miss it. See you then.